you paste the address, paste, okay, and click OK. Okay, now this is the second zoom. Okay, we open both zoom in the application, not in the browser. Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to open the 2Zoom in a single device. Okay, the 2Zoom application, not in the browser. Okay, first I will open the primary zoom. Okay, this is now the primary zoom. Now, how to open the second zoom application. Okay, first go to your zoom icon, right click on it, and then open file location. Okay, when you open the file location, this one you copy this one, this address, right click and you copy it and then close. Okay, I will open a WordPad. Okay, now I'm going to paste it here to make it clear. Okay, now I'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now see, just add, I will make it red, add zoom dot exe and then space, don't forget to add space, and then slash secondary. Okay, here there should be a space. Okay, there should be a space, one space only here, one space only. Okay, you copy this one, right click, you copy. Okay, I will minimize this one, and then you go to your run, search for your run, this one I have run. Okay, run, or just press window plus R. Okay, same, it's just the same, run, and then you paste the address, paste, okay, and click OK. Okay, now this is the second zoom. Okay, we open both zoom in the application, not in the browser. Okay, if you learned something, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.